Uganda kunga kunga tasegwangalyo kunga Uganda kunga abadde bagala Uganda okujediza bagireke Kyagulanyi yagisobola kunga Uganda kunga tasegwangalyo. People power kakati mwegana ebikolwa bya Museveni n'enkola ye yonna. Mwegana obwa president bwensikirano mu Uganda.
Your Excellency, corruption has no religion, corruption has no tribe, corruption has no region. Corruption is a very big disease. The fact that you stood firm and talked about corruption, you are a brave man, the only brave man Uganda has, and you are the only hope of Uganda. We as people of northern Uganda, we are behind you. Be firm. Northern Uganda is mobilized because of that one statement. Thank you, Mr. President. Secondly, Mr. President, I did say something about Muganda. I know people were hearing about Muganda. I was giving my fellow people of northern Uganda a brief history that our tie, our unity with Buganda never started today as people of northern Uganda. I gave a very big scenario example that today we are having very many people from northern Uganda settled in Bugerere, settled in Katikamu, settled in Luero, settled in Bombo, or settled in Gayaza, settled in Mukono. Why? Because of our unity with Buganda. So Buganda government gave us land. The land we are settled in is not given by any northerner. It was given by government of Buganda. We salute government of Buganda. We salute people of Buganda. We salute all of you for loving us. We therefore say, you are coming to open up our eye. You are coming as a leader. You are coming to lead us to new Uganda. Is a very big hope. Is a very big hope for us as people of northern Uganda. We therefore say nobody should deviate our agenda. Our agenda is to remove President Museveni. Our agenda is to remove President Museveni. And the only leader is His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, who will lead us there. Mr. President, allow me thank, before I invite people, the following. Number one, you are a very wise man, Mr. President. I had just gone for a leave somewhere, but you say time of leave is enough. You come back for duty, and I'm here.
We have good news that since the mobilization department started working under forming these committees from the district up to the villages, we have not received any defections from the party. We have not seen any Kunga leadership in Uganda joining the regime.
Tudubache aha millions na millions z'abanya Uganda nimba shaba tukwatanise mutuhereze mukono ahora abori gambira mugenzi wawe gamba no muntu akuri hi aha murimo yimukorera bantu mwe tubashaba ngu mobilization need twena. It is not only me sinzenzeka in the western region
yantungamo ninduga umuparishi ya mama Janeti umuseru ni yemwe hihi na baraks konkana yenda kujoyininga akubandebere buzima niwe orukubasa kutwara Uganda misho oyine potential tuyineho buzubu bumwe obutwa turukubi konko muri yecho obuwizire noza kutuyamba akuba niwe muntu w'abantu niwe razahure Uganda niwe razahure minyeto niwe razahure abakazi niwe razahure abashinja turukubi. I spent 2 weeks I poisoned now ndububi woyogera ku Uganda ebintu bikufukira bizubu ate ojja kuyimirira n'oyamba buli omu, omwana, omukulu, omugurusi, omuto. Ate twesibe tuyinza kukuleka, tujja kuwa emikono, ojja kuzaahura Uganda, n'oza kuzaahura Uganda, ogiteeke ayasheme kuba ebiri neza. Webale munonga, webale Mukama naza kukuyamba. NUP oye! NUP oye!
Owekitiinisa President wetu Kyagulanyi Robert Musinguzi oye! Musinguzi oye! Abantu mwena abari aha protocol observed by MPs, abebembezi, abekibiina mwena. People power! People power! Muteke mu vibe namwe. People power! People power! NUP! You know, Your Excellency, when you look right in front of you here and you see a very big line of people from Western Uganda, I think this is a miracle for which we must clap so loudly. Number one, thank God. Then number two, thank you for the vision. Thank you for the vision. And then number three, thank our mobilizers. My sister here and Chairman Nyanzi. And then the rest of the coordinators from the region. Western region, Your Excellency, as you very well know, is very hard. That's where the dictator comes from. You know, people look at you, people isolate you, people think you are crazy, but I think this is something for which we must clap and thank God for. Now, I know we have very short time here, and you can see all these are mixed people. I want to request the newcomers, if you know you are new, this is your first time to come to Kavule, please step forward. Step forward. Let us kwejwanguriramu katweyihemu. Let's kwejwanguriramu so that the president can come and receive us officially as a group from Western region. But before he comes, my friends, my sisters, my brothers, and some of you are even my sons, I want to inform you, just as you rightly know, that Western Uganda is not easy, but it requires that you are determined. If you decide, like I did, start wearing your beret with pride and walk through the streets of wherever, Hoi Mama Cindy, Soro, Mbarara, for me, when I'm walking through Mbarara with my beret, nobody can even touch me. So I want you to emulate that example. Just go out there and walk with pride. You know that you are joining a family of winners, a family of vision, a family that will soon take the leadership of this, by the way, to Kasing. So, Your Excellency, without taking a lot of time, please join me here to receive Abanyankore, abamwe n'Abanyankore, abandi n'Abakiga, abandi n'Abakonjo, abandi n'Abamba, abandi bona. Your Excellency, Mr. Musinguzi sir. Mutero mu ngaro nimwe. The 15 people abahinduka mu iromisho mutagurwe no kutagurira Cedric, you get up and dance for us. Murete kadi zanyu zumbire mwine muzereze president, muzereze Julian, kadi zanyu zumbire mwine. Kadi zumustamp kahans. Stamp kahans. Throw down kahans. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you, Western Uganda. Mwebare mbwenu mwebare butanshwaza nimba shaba. Mumpurire. Mbwenu mureke tutere kintu. Manye kintu cyagwire. Ekiju kiriyo nkijonga. Twena tugira tuchamba mugere chwa. Mushambe yo mugere ture chwa. Mushambe yenara chwa. Mujongere chwa. Mwebare mnonga.
Thank you. Mwakire. Mwebare buzima. Comrade Waiswa yingirawo banyabane basebo mu kiseera kino. Let me take this opportunity to invite institutions. Comrade Musiri katubajje mudira aba institutions abatwegaseeko. Waliwo abaana ba university abavuddeyo babadde mu NRM babadde nga batutawanya mu universities bavudde ne batwegatteko mu sembera okumpi mubeereredde ne bwe muli awo ngenda kuyingizawo ttimu endala. Now, without wasting much time, as we wait for the institutions, mukulu bowa yatwegaseeko kuva mu DP naye abadde atutawanya nnyo n'ebintu bya DP block. Yimirirako bakulabe. Abadde atusumbuwa oyo mu Kampala wano DP block naye alokose. Naye bagenda muyitira mu ttimu za Buganda mukyala Nabatanzi. As the veterans get ready, I am going to invite Comrade Asega to read the names of those people who have joined us today from the northern region. So we welcome.
Thank you, my chair. People power! Power! People power! Power! Kunga Northern Uganda kunga! Kunga Eastern Uganda kunga! Kunga Western Uganda kunga! Kunga Central Uganda kunga! Kunga President kunga! Kunga Madamu Lina Zedika kunga! Kunga Madamu Jole kunga! Ra! Sha!
Bobby Kodribo. Nupu Kodribo.
Chagulani Kodribo. Bobby Kodribo. Bobby Kodribo. Arwa lady. Alesadi du. Imeaizo wara. Umudomalia. Tima Madarwari. Northern Uganda. Tadila de bayo nje Uganda tisimanje lubara tisivini. Anira imeabia chiniara. Achi time ine chizo niara de. Po femi afazisi ko temi mudi ya leta President Amavule His Excellency Robert Chagulanyi Sentamu Moletasi. Karibu mini. Iyokina alu struggle di amani woro bazi mola madiaku lubara vodi alejo mini bazi mola makini afadi Muganda peni kina afadi Muganda ni yo tichita amani Muganda bere do androku tichita amani Muganda bere do amabingari. That's why kabaka Buganda vuru fe amani lubararo angu bugerere ka mulubara kichi ika mubomu alubara kichi Northern Uganda kichi ika mubugerere kichi ika mukatika mwa kichi parida lubara fenim ya manene ko Buganda government ki Buganda fe amanene ichakinisi ama Northern Uganda ki Buganda pie amabalo. His Excellency Changulanyi Memuta President Sozu ama pariari amu amavu arole President Kyagulanyi ri amarani malaria bi Uganda woro amadria malaria ro the Panadol Uganda vure lo His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu iyo number izore President Kyagulanyi ale direba di dulo menekeni urimandameko iyo kovu masakati yani anyambolo madini yo anyambolo masuru yo anyambolo riafazo nzini isopa mi pairishi itu anyambolo mfe amamieti so paso zamini iyo njezo anyambolo mayosi fe Northern Uganda woro atikimi fe sadisi basi ulimuki le free national platform alia miyosi award for many characters. Finally iyo miswari mani le badi hari President Kyagulanyi sadriasi miyoki ni amama buswa sadriasi miyo amama buswa ma prison ni badria waro ripidiare ki prison ni ata batu jara yeba tujara yeba ki dia prison ni imbaba ki prison ni doctors ki dia prison ni